Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to use glider properly in Fisch. Begin by inspecting the glider for damage and balanced weight distribution. Find a wide open area free of obstacles and wind gusts. Set control trims neutral and confirm battery or lines are secure. Practice gentle launches and gradual control inputs to learn responsiveness. Focus on smooth corrections rather than sudden movements to keep the glider flying predictably and safely. Start by choosing light wind and a clear launch path for consistent results. Position your body side-on to the wind and step forward as you release to add momentum. Keep the glider level and avoid twisting your wrist at release to prevent unwanted roll. If the glider drops quickly, slightly increase angle of attack next try. Record your throws and tweak technique until launches become repeatable and comfortable for you. Stay relaxed and use subtle movements to steer the glider during flight for smooth handling. Read wind shifts and thermals by watching wing behavior and adjust heading accordingly. When circling and lift, use consistent bank angles to maintain stability and avoid stalls. For landing, line up a gentle approach into the wind and reduce speed gradually. Flare just before touchdown to soften landing and protect the glider from hard impact.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.